After you make that, you won't want to eat anything else. Very simple and delicious. We'll start with tortilla and minced meat. The minced meat is the one you prefer. And let's spread it for all over the tortilla, okay guys? These ways you can see on the video. It's super simple and fast. It has to be a thin layer so it can be very cooked. Now let's season it with some salt, okay? And you can use your favorite seasons here. I also added purple onion. And it's all very simple and fast. Now it's time to fry our tortillas, guys. And it's super simple. We'll use a frying pan with a little bit of oil or butter. We are going to fry the meat part. Just turn it around and let it very brown. You don't need to mix it a lot. Stir it, okay? Just see if the meat is well cooked. Then just turn it around to let it cook on the other side. Let's also add some cheese. I recommend you guys to use a frying pan because it will be easier. Now in a little bowl, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of barbecue, 1 tablespoon of mustard, and some oregano. And our sauce is already done. This sauce is perfect. Done that, let's use slices of tomato. And you can also use the lettuce because I like it, but it's optional. Let's go adding the other ingredients. You can also add other ingredients like olives, peas, corn. I also used pickles. You can set it the way you like and use your favorite seasons here. And guys, it's already done. Now you just have to use the sauce that we have just prepared and eat this wonder. Guys, seriously, you have no idea how crunchy it is on the outside, very juicy on the inside. The minced meat is always delicious. And you can use your creativity. Each day you can change it, okay? Look at this. It's a whole meal, guys. And if you watched this video until here, that means you liked the recipe. So don't forget to rate us down here from 0 to 10. Your opinion is always very important for us. And it helps us to bring more recipes like this one. Okay, guys? I'm gonna leave you guys right now with this image. Thank you so much and bye-bye.